stringsters, it's Kathy. Yes, I know. 2 videos in one day. What happened? All right. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be looking at a series of jazz violin. I have a student who's studying jazz or learning how to play jazz on her violin, and I wanted to have like these little series of videos to help her and to help any other one as well. All right, so I'm going to link down below the book or series that I'm actually using with my jazz students. That way, if you want to, you can follow along. It'll be just still different skills. I'm not actually going to teach the book itself, but I'm going to teach the different skills that come along with it. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, so one of the first skills that we're going to learn is something called swing. Swing is a type of rhythm. It's kind of like a heartbeat. So bum, 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 bum. So if you hear that feeling, so what we'll do is we'll do something called a long, short, long, short. So we'll go. Okay, so it's long. Okay, so just practice right now. What you'll do, the first thing you want to do is just practice going a long, short, long, short, long, short, either on an open note or just going through the scales. As once you've gotten the hang of it, you're going to start going faster. And then go even faster. And then once you start doing that, you want to look at different songs that you could possibly do this in. Hold on. Be right back. Okay, so this is from the intro for Django Reinhardt. I had to listen to it real quick, so it may not be perfect, but it goes similar to this. So you can hear a little bit of the swing in there. So the last part of it is swinging a little bit. All right, so hopefully this gives you a better idea of how to play swing. Remember, we're going to be focusing on a long, short, long, short, long, short rhythm. Okay? All right, I will see you. Do you have some jazz tips down there for swing? Leave them down there in the comments below. And as always, like, subscribe, and share this video with others. And I will see you next time. Bye.